Hello and welcome to Bedroom Studio Corner. I am XD and I'm back again with a great video. Now in today's video, we're not in FL Studio, we're not producing. If you're here for those videos, go check out my other videos. But today in this video, I am here to help you with how you can take advantage of YouTube and how you can get your music heard by a lot more people and get your music to reach a lot more fans and be in places that you would have never imagined your music can get to. So I'm going to show you from start to finish how you can strategize and not just share your music on social media only, but also find other avenues to where you can actually get your music to. Now, a lot of people are not thinking outside the box these days about sharing their music. And what happens is that I see a lot of people on social media when they're sharing their music, they just share a link of their song and then they just write, download and share. Most people don't even have strategies anymore that they can use to be able to share the music. Now, as a lot of us know, YouTube is a platform where we get to share our content, share our videos, and share it with the rest of the world, not just the people around us. And that is the problem that social media has in terms of Facebook and Twitter. The only people that see your posts or everything that you share is the people that are in your circle of friends. So if on Facebook you have 5,000 friends, it means that only 5,000 people might see your posts. But if you boost your posts, like pay a little bit of money for Facebook to actually start to place your posts to people that are interested in those posts and recommend it to people, then you can actually get more reach. So that is one way you can actually get your music out there to more people. That's by boosting your posts. I know you guys see this when Facebook asks you to boost your posts. Even Instagram does that as well. Boosting posts actually works. I have a lot of people that I've suggested this to and it actually worked for them, because you just sharing on a daily your posts and your music or your links or whatever, it's not really gonna reach anybody that is interested in music. Remember, not everyone that's on your feed or on your Facebook or in your contact list is interested in your music. So now you keep spamming people and you keep annoying people with your links and your download and share messages and all that type of stuff. So you want the right people to get your posts, especially people that are interested in music or new releases or whatever it is you're sharing. So boosting posts is another way you can get to a lot of people. So always keep that in mind. You just have to invest a little bit of money. Just by investing 100 Rand, you can get your music to a lot more people that will actually enjoy it and interact and give you feedback and say if they like your music or not. And that is a good thing. So that's one way you can get your music to other people out there. The next thing I want to talk about is how you as a music producer can take advantage of YouTube. Most of the time as producers, we upload our music on sites like SoundCloud and data file hosts and all these file hosting sites, but they don't keep our files till forever. They have some type of a limit that they have. I know data file host will delete your song after like 3 months of no activity. If people don't download it for more than 3 months, they delete it. SoundCloud also kind of has a cap. It gives you a cap on how much data or how much uploads you can upload to it. And that's a problem. Even downloads, people cannot download your song up until like 100 downloads. When you get to 100 downloads, it stops downloads and then people can just keep playing. But YouTube does not have all that limitations. The only thing is that you have to upload in video form, but your content stays till forever. The videos that I have on my channel are gonna stay here on my channel, I don't know, till the end of time probably, or maybe when YouTube actually closes, shut down or whatever, but they're gonna stay here forever. So this is a great storage place for you to keep your music. And if your channel and your music starts to get popular enough, you get some subscribers and you get some watch time, then YouTube will actually start to pay you for every play that you get or every watch. I did speak about that in my other video on how I get paid here on YouTube, but you can actually do the same because you're also a content creator and the music you're making is content that needs to be on YouTube. So most of us know how to convert MP3 to MP4. I have a video that I'm going to put up here to where you can check that out, and you know, you can easily turn your songs into video. You add your photo to it and or your cover artwork or whatever you want to do, or a music video as well. So YouTube is a great place where you as a music creator can put your music and eventually you can earn some revenue off it, and you have a place where you can actually store your music. That is YouTube. It's a great platform. A lot of people are afraid of YouTube because they think it's only for like filmmakers and people that make short films and videos, you know, funny videos and other video type of content, but also music producers can take advantage of this platform. The next thing I want to share with you is something that a lot of producers never really thought about, but it's something that is happening in the industry. I know when you watch movies, you hear music from artists that you might even know or artists that you do not know. These are called placements. Music is placed in a lot of shows that you find on TV, on social media, and here on YouTube. And people that create all these shows are always looking for music, like background music. Like if you ever watched a reality show and you hear these nice beats that they're playing in the background, it's some producer that actually got that placement to put that beats there, and that producer is actually getting paid for having their music in that show. So you can also do the same thing, but we can do it on a lower scale, not in the scale of by having commercially successful shows play our music, but you can also connect with other people here on social media that are doing filmmaking, that are doing vlogs, that are doing beauty tutorials, or tutorials like mine as well. I also use background music. There's a song that's playing right now in the background that you can hear. Of course it's mine, but it could be yours as well, you know? So you need to find people that are content creators on different platforms. It could be people that are doing funny skits or sketches. They need background music, and it could be your music that's playing there. And most of these sketches, if you look on the trending page, there's a lot of sketches that people are actually putting out there that are getting a lot of views and that a lot of people are seeing. It might be 3 minutes, it might be 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but a lot of people are watching these things, and there is music in those sketches. Now usually people get music for their backgrounds, usually from websites like Epidemic Sound, and they pay a certain fee every month, a subscription, to use that music. But now if you can get those people that are doing this type of content and make a deal with them where they can use your music can actually go further than you actually think. Instead of just putting it on social media and saying download and share, and then you just leave it to the world. But trying to find these type of strategies will help your music move much better and reach so many people out there. So I hope you find this really helpful, because these are tips that I want to be sharing with you guys here on the channel that will help you reach bigger audiences and get your music more out there. On the channel, I just don't want to show you guys how to make music, but I also want to help you get your music out there so that you can be successful in your music production. Let me know what you think down below about this. Have you had your music placed in shows or other people's videos that make videos online or make online content? Let me know down below. But if you like this video, leave a like down below. Don't forget to check out my store for drum kits, presets, and all of that good stuff that you'll need for your music production. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Click on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. I am X and I'm out. Peace.